honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm inviting you into my dirty, very messed up, disorganized guest bedroom, which I am cleaning up. I just got these tall boys. I went to pick them up a few hours ago. Then I decided right now to literally organize my life, pack everything in there and try and empty out and free out some space in my wardrobe space for guests, firstly, for Fez, secondly, because he's also like, he's a bit of a hoarder just like mommy, and then also I just need space for my makeup and my hair stuff and happy hair care things. So yeah, organize with me.
Hey there, it's Yolz channel.
Let's start off with this box, which has a host of things that I use but I don't need at the moment. I actually need oils, so I feel like I'll dig into this box. That's what the first shelf looks like. The second shelf, I'm still deciding, maybe I should take this out of its packet so that it actually looks neater. Moving right along, I think I know what I'm gonna add to this spot over here. Maybe I should add my foundations in here actually. I've got a bunch of foundations from L'Oreal, which I do need to give away. If you know your shade, please let me know down in the comments below. I'll actually make this the giveaway drawer. These should be able to fit properly. Yay, they do. Okay, cool. Okay, so this will be the giveaway space. So now I'm packing some edge gel that I have from when I've had this for almost 6 months now. We received these for an event that myself and Pumi were doing. My Natural Hair had sponsored the event, but these arrived late, unfortunately. So I've just been adding them to giveaways, and at any event I'm able to like sponsor small things like this. I've actually got an event on my mind that I'm going to give some of these away to. I need to contact that girl, Ikoa Events. Actually, I need to do that. Now I am just packing these My Natural hydration masks. I don't have much of them. I think I have like 6. So I might also give them away or sponsor a natural hair event that's hosted by one of my subscribers as well. You guys are doing the most, and I will try and support you where I can. So I think I can do that. I'm still undecided on what to use this portion for, but it's not looking too bad, eh? We packed away my happy hair microfiber towels in here. Not the neatest way, but it's good enough so that they don't actually lose shape. I just wanted to make sure that they all have a space. It's mainly the black and the pink that's in here, bit of gray, but we don't have much gray left anyway. So yeah, these are all the hair boxes I have with me. Oh, this is hair product over here. This is hair that I received this package for a review, but I didn't really like the quality of the hair. They said they're gonna check what went wrong in the factory, and then they just like went AWOL on me. So I'm keeping the hair, but honestly I wasn't very happy to review it on my channel. Nonetheless, I'm gonna pack the hair. The good thing is that it still has its net, so I'm gonna pack the hair in the cupboards in its net. Because I don't wear wigs that often, the ones that I wear a lot are actually in my bedroom. I think I'm fine with just storing them in here, and then when I want to use them, I'll just wash them if need be or deep condition them and then use them. This I bought from an Instagram boutique. But yeah, you know, ish happens. That's what happened to it. It kind of broke and then it just looks nasty. I don't wear it actually at all. I forgot I even have it. So I'm gonna actually put this one here. I've got to find a net for it as well. Okay, what do we have here? This I think is a bunch of extensions that I received, clip-on extensions I think, that I received from Her Given Hair. Yes, I think they'll have a little bit more air than in that plastic bag. I'll just leave it a little open like that. So I'll put that in there. This is the kinky hair ponytail that I had, so we'll give it a good deep condition. What is this? Oh wow, okay, these are other clipping extensions. Okay, these also look run down, but because they're human hair, I believe they can also just be deep conditioned. Okay, next are these, which I also got as gifts for a giveaway, and we got like way too many. Like we got so many of these, so I do also add them to giveaways. I'm gonna literally just chuck them in a drawer. I don't think you need to see this, but yeah, I just feel like they should be at the bottom. Okay, so I've adjusted that. Let's see. I also think I got more gifts the other day. I've got a box that's unopened, and I believe there's more of these organics products. They're amazing for natural hair, honestly. So, okay, I'm trying not to put too much in there because I don't want to ruin the cupboard. Here's the vision. I want my makeup to be all over here, right on top. Why? Because it's the one place Fezzi cannot reach, unless if he really shakes these, they'll break, or you know, things will fall apart. But I definitely think this is the one place where his hands can be off and I can have my makeup at a place that's easy to reach. Right now my stuff is in makeup bags. I've had to take it out of this, and I can get more makeup storage now, like these acrylic what's from Alibaba or AliExpress. There's like beautiful ones, so, and bigger ones, so finally I can do that without having to worry about him actually reaching, because on that table, that side table, my baby literally grabs everything, puts it in his mouth, plays with it, draws with lipstick. We've got stories to tell. But anyway, I think it would look really nice over here. I'm gonna do that for the rest of the evening, and then in the morning I'll show you how that came out. Morning loves, it's the next day and I am very happy with the progress. Okay, right now it looks a little messy. Let me show you what it looks like. So far so good. What I've done is pack most of my makeup out. I'm still looking for a few eyebrow products. I have no idea where I placed it, So in here I have my foundations, my concealers, and of course I'm gonna plonk this in here as well, my powders. So I use the box caps as dividers because it's so much better, it's neater. Like this is actually an old box, this as well. It just makes for a much neater space. So once I'm done with everything, you're gonna see the finished product, but I did want to take you through the process if it's as therapeutic to you as it is for me. So now to show you the covers that I'm really happy about. This section is basically like done, it's 98% done. I just have like one spot to finish. This is where my palettes are. I'm missing one palette. My Joanna K palette is missing in here, and then here I'm just throwing in things that I don't really have space for. I can't really put them on my display, and it's products I don't really use but I want to keep at the same time. And then we have this cupboard, which you saw. This is sort of like things that I don't use. Some of them I still want to try them out, like garlic shampoo, which I've never ever used before. Then we have this one, which I'm most proud of. I'm really proud of myself here. This is my giveaway drawer and my sponsorship drawer. Then in here I've actually reused my MAC gift boxes. I usually get like gifts from MAC in these, and I've got 3 of them. My most recent gift box, I think I chucked away, and now I regret doing that. But I thought, oh, I've got a lot of them and I only have 3, so that was not the smartest move. So that's upside down. So that's what I'm reusing these for. I've just packed, hello love, I've just packed these in here. And okay, this is a very tight situation. Then the bottom, because I had a lot of the My Natural Hydration Mask sachets, I've actually just plonked them in there as well. So that's that cupboard, and then I'll show you guys the rest as we go along. I'm still looking for a spot for this one, maybe right there. Would you be able to close? Oh yes, it fits. I'm most likely also going to use these as giveaways. Again, I really don't need all of this product. And then yeah, you guys have seen my wig selection, and that's what I'm going to be sorting out now. I've got extra hair over here, which I'm going to be whipping out of this box. To me, isn't she beautiful? So I'm going to be whipping these out and then trying to put them in organza bags so that I can squeeze them in these. This is so sentimental to me, guys. This was given to me by my best friend, my all-time bestie, and I still have it, and I go literally I take it wherever I move. Honeys, it is around 4-ish right now, and I am done decorating, doing everything. I just spotted something weird which ain't supposed to be here. And now I'm ready to show you how it all looks. I'm so excited because it feels like a little project. At the same time, I'm so glad I decluttered. So without any further ado, let me show you what I have organized and decluttered. So drawer number 1 literally just has all my foundation, my primers, everything that's got to do with the base of my face, my foundations, my concealers over here. And then let's focus. Then my powders, and then more powders in here. Can you see all that? I can't really fully open it, which I'm fine with actually, because I don't really use these powders, but I think it's just neater to compartmentalize. Does that make sense? Compartmentalize everything. So I decided to use these box caps in here, just so that everything sort of has a compartment. This is super full, but this has got all my happy hairline bands, the velvet ones, black and pink. Wow, bra, why you gotta expose me like that? Can you just be sleek and slide in? It's full to the brim. Then we've got the Happy microfiber towels, one that I was wearing today. We've got some in gray and in black in there. I try to squeeze a lot of them in here without obviously sort of creasing the towels. So that's what we have going down. Then going further down, we just got our do-rags in there. It's obviously a bit of a tight squeeze as well, but I wanted to empty the boxes. Then we've got more organics products, which I need to give away. On to my favorite one, which are my palettes. I don't have all my palettes in here yet, but I'll do that. So I've literally just got the ones that were in the guest bedroom. I've got a bag with some makeup still, which I need to empty. Then in here, I just threw all lipsticks and things that don't really like have a place. In here, I have some hair products that I have like multiple of. So I got products on top and I've got products underneath. I still need to use some of these. Obviously, I've used some of the dry shampoos, but I do have like 4 or 5 because the PR box had so many. And I'm still not out with mine. So there's that. Then we've got some more organics conditioner. Guys, organics products, like I've got a lot. Give away, y'all. I know somebody's saying that. Then over here, I've got some more candle holders that I came with from Cape Town. Why I'm such a hoarder. Then we have my giveaway drawer. This is by far my favorite drawer because it's just so neat. On this drawer, I just have all my creams that I don't use at the moment. My leave-in conditioners from African Pride, which I need to give away some because I've got so many. Shampoo, conditioner from Nilotica, Girl Boss, Growth Butter, my got 2 of these, Tresemme Botanique hair food, which I still haven't used. Hey, hi, me bird. Next is hair. Wow, it's popping. I've just literally put them in organza bags. Well, the extensions and the Molly locks, the faux locks, I've put them in there. It's a bit of a tight squeeze as well. So the last 2 drawers are pretty empty in my view, so I'll utilize the space for more of my stuff that's in my bedroom. I've got stuff to fill this with, but that's what I'll do at a later stage, not today. On top is my beauty station, which I've mentioned. This was the plan, although the vision didn't come out the way I 100% wanted it to be, but it came out anyway. So I've got my earrings over here and some jewelry, then a candle. I actually don't keep much in here besides like random things. Then I've got this mirror which we bought for a shoot, never used it, but it goes with my copper candle which I got from Cotton On. Then I've got all my lipsticks, mainly MAC lipsticks over here. Also mainly PR drops actually. I think I've only bought like 2 or 3 lipsticks from MAC, but they've been very faithful in involving me in their PR drops. So yay for being on that PR list. In here I just got a few random things that I put inside, so I'm just using this as a display stand and storage as well. I also used this as storage. This had our Parker Rabanne 1 million perfumes. Then there's my brushes, and then I've got this lipstick stand, acrylic stand that I got from Justine with these silver mirror-like lipsticks, and my brow pomade. And then I've also got fragrance oil, which I got as a gift back in the day, and I've got lots of oil in there. Never used it before. Also got my lashes in here, and then I'm using this frame. This is actually a photo frame. I'm just using it as storage. I've got some things underneath because it's quite hollow. And then this photo frame is actually from a shoot as well, so I just kept it and now I'm using it because it's got that whole copper thing going on. And that's it from the top of my new beauty stand on top of my drawers.